What is it that makes your amplifier any different from the ones you distribute, or anyone else's amplifier?
Okay, so what a lot of people are doing at the moment is lots of functionality in one box as an integrated. Ours is pure analog. We've really been focusing on getting each stage of the circuit working really well, very low distortion, without getting distracted with any of the digital stuff.
Tone control seems a bit odd on a modern amplifier. Why did you go for that?
Yeah, that was a bit of, it's not necessarily commonly done. We wanted to do it for much the same reason that we have the tone controls on some of our speakers. We've got a little HF and LF adjust on the factor range, and we use that in particular so that you can match it to your room a little bit better. The tone controls aren't massive or anything, it's 0.25 dBs per division, so it's just a little tweak. And also for, it gives you the option that you can really refine your recordings, adjust it to your taste if you want to do that, all of which you can do from where you're sitting via the remote.
What's it sound like?
So we ensure that it's got a very, very flat frequency response. That doesn't mean that it sounds clinical or anything, it just means that it's very accurate. We've listened to a lot of other British amplifier manufacturers, Canadian amplifier manufacturers that we know very well, and we wanted to take all the best bits of those amplifiers. It's very clean, noise floor is really low, and so all of that lovely spatial detail is there without taking away anything like the grip on the bass. It's still got a great low frequency response. It's very accurate and honest.
Okay, so isn't there a danger that you'll end up designing an amp that only works with PMC speakers?
No, not really. We follow the same kind of design philosophy as our speakers. We don't design them to work with any one particular amp. They are just providing a really easy load for all amps, flat frequency response, and they sound pretty neutral.